So when is the proper time to form an LLC? It's when your business activity creates real risk, money movement, contracts, and something worth protecting. So the practical way to think about it is like this. An LLC is not automatically necessary once you have a business idea. If you are still brainstorming, testing the market, researching, planning with no customers, no payments, no contracts, no products being sold, or no real exposure to liability, then you may still be in the idea stage. At that point, the priority may be validating the business. Once the business starts operating, the analysis changes. There are 5 major signs that it may be time for you to form an LLC. There's money movement. There's real risk. Agreements are being signed. The brand has value, and you need financial separation. First, there's money movement. If customers are paying you, if deposits are being collected, products are being sold, or service income is coming in, you are not simply planning, you are operating. Second, there's real risk. If your work could cause financial loss, injury, customer disputes, or destruction to someone else's property, then you need separation and protection. Third, agreements are being signed. If you are signing contracts, taking retainers, using vendors, working with contractors, leasing property, or making promises to customers, you need structure. Fourth, the brand has value. If you are building a name, a website, a social media presence, a customer base, a reputation, or repeat business, you are building something that has value and needs organization and protection. Fifth, you need financial separation. If business income is going into your personal account, business expenses are being paid by personal cards, or you cannot clearly separate your business activity from your personal activity, then that's a warning sign. But here's the important part. The LLC itself can be compared to a container. The container still needs to be filled up and used properly. Then what should a container be filled with? It should be filled with a business bank account, proper record keeping, separate business transactions, contracts in the business name, tax awareness, and state compliance requirements. If you form the LLC but continue operating through your personal account and personal identity, you weaken the purpose of the structure. So the practical question is not, do I want to look official? Rather, it is, has my business reached a point where money risk, contracts, reputation, and operations need separation? If so, it may be time to stop operating casually and form the business properly. If your business is starting to make money, take on clients, sell products, sign agreements, work with contractors, or build a serious brand, then it may be time to review your structure. I'm Maurice Wally, an enrolled agent federally authorized to represent taxpayers before the IRS, and I'm also the founder and principal advisor of Meridian Advisors Tax and Accounting. If you are trying to determine whether right now is the proper time to form an LLC, then text FORM to 954-406-9737 for a free 10-minute consultation. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.